Hey kids, today I'm going to show you how to add a template to a Google slide from Google Slides homepage. Okay, so this is a new tab that I have opened. I'll click on this Google App Launcher from the top right corner. When I click on it, I'll select Slides option. This will open Google Slides homepage. When I open Google Slides homepage, what we normally do is we check whether this is our own account or not. You should use your school account for this. After we are done with this, we normally click on this blank presentation. But today we need to add a template, right? So for this, we will not click on this blank presentation. Over here, we have an option called template gallery. We will click on this template gallery option. Once the template gallery opens, you see there are so many templates that are ready made for us. There are options, there are categories like education, then we have personal, then we have work related template also. Now, whichever template you feel like or you like according to the topic that you have to create a presentation on, select that template. Now suppose I like this presentation. Okay, so I'll click on this presentation. Once I click on the template that I want to select, that template will open like a normal blank presentation that we open. The difference is there are already slides added, there are already things written over there. You just have to edit those text or images. Okay, so as you can see, this is slide number 1, that is our title slide. Then this is slide number 2, 3, 4, and so on and so forth. There are many slides. You don't have to keep all these slides. Only keep those slides that you need for your presentation, and you can delete the extra slides. How to delete the extra slides? Suppose now I don't want this slide, okay, this one. So I can, from the slides pane in the left hand side, I'll right click on the slide and there is a delete option. I'll click on this delete option and that slide will get deleted from my presentation. So whenever you are using a template, what you do is open a template, edit the template, and remove or delete the extra slides that you don't need, and then your presentation is ready. Now suppose how to edit this template. Suppose I want to change the title of this title slide. Okay, so I'll click on this title that is already there. I will select this whole title. I'll remove this, and suppose I am creating a presentation on the topic my favorite food. So I'll write my favorite. So this is how we edit a slide. Now suppose I don't want this one, so I can write a guide by my own name. So I'll, so this is how we edit a template. You can change background color if you want, the way you have been changing. It's a normal presentation. The only difference is the templates, the slide, the everything is already added. You just have to edit them according to your choice, your opinion, and make it up to your liking. Okay, so that's all. I hope you have understood how to do it.